Hello, everybody. We're so glad to see you. Hello to Buster. We're so glad to see you. Hello to Carly. We're so glad to see you. Carly's very busy. She likes to get into the basket. So Buster, come here and sit. I want to sing you a song. Stay down. So it goes like this, Buster. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, what a wonderful child you are, with bright eyes and nice round cheeks, a talented person from your head to your feet. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, what a wonderful child you are. And here, Buster, here's your treat. Now go play. So friends, I was singing the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star song a little differently. And you can sing it with your moms and dads. Kiss your brains. Do you remember? Miss Laura and I sang it together too. And we showed you how to use your hands. All right, so the reason I was singing the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star song is because Panda, yes, that's me. Panda was asking me today, what is in the sky at night? He sees lots of lights, and I don't know what they are. So, our book today is called Stars, Stars, Stars by Bob Barner. Hi, Buster. You don't want to listen to the story? Come sit down. Look at all those stars. Stars, Stars, Stars by Bob Barner. And these are constellations, so stars make pictures in the sky. It's like connecting dots. Stars, stars, stars! I want to see planets and stars. So the shadow has a telescope. Bright stars twinkling above big city lights. Distant planets glowing over black country nights. Constellations that take shape when I connect them with lines. Milky Way stars shining 200 billion times. The sun that burns with golden light. Hot planet Mercury turning slowly in the night. Venus, the evening star, first planets to shine in the twilight sky. So sometimes Panda sees a very, very big bright star, and that star is actually the planet Venus. This is the planet that we live on in our galaxy. Blue-green Earth with the dusty moon orbiting by. There's our moon, it goes around. Stormy Mars, glowing red in the vastness of space. Giant planet Jupiter, moving with grace. So Mars is a small red planet, and Jupiter is a large yellowish planet. This is the one I like, Saturn. Saturn circled by its rings, it has lots of rings. Uranus spinning on its side. Windy Neptune. Oh, that's Uranus. And this is windy Neptune. And tiny planet Pluto orbiting wide. These are all the planets. Shooting stars, streaking tails of sparkling light. The Big Dipper's holding a scoop of night. So tonight you can look up at the stars with your moms and dad and look for 4 stars in a row. And then there'll be one below, one to the right, and then one up on top, making the Big Dipper. Called a constellation when the stars make shapes. Star, star, stars! I want to see planets and stars tonight. Meet the planets. The sun is a medium-sized star. All 9 of the planets in our solar system orbit the sun. The sun has been burning for about 5 billion years. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, is only a little larger than the moon. Its surface is covered with tall mountains and deep craters. Venus is a planet, but it is also called the evening star because it is usually the first light we see shining in the evening sky. Earth, our home, our Mother Earth, is the only planet in our solar system that we know that supports life. So it has sun, soil, water, and air. Mars, the red planet, is about half the size of the Earth. Mars looks red because it is covered with rust-colored soil. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that all the other planets could fit inside of it. Saturn is not very dense and would float in water. Its rings are made of pieces of dust and ice, varying from small as a pea size to large as a car. Uranus spins on its side. The narrow ring around Uranus is made up of black ice. Neptune is the blue planet, has winds that blow up to 15,000 miles per hour. Its blue color is caused by methane in its atmosphere. Pluto is the smallest planet. It's smaller than the moon. Pluto is also the farthest from the sun, as far as 4.1 billion miles. And that is our universe. Meet the universe. A star is a giant ball of glowing gas. Stars twinkle because we see them through layers of moving air in the Earth's atmosphere. A constellation is a group of stars that people connect with imaginary lines to form a design. There are 88 constellations in the sky. A sun is any star that is in the center of the planetary system. In the center of a planetary system. Our sun is a medium-sized star. A planet is the largest object that orbits the sun but does not make its own light. Planets reflect the light from the stars. They don't twinkle because they are closer to Earth than the stars are. Gravity is the force that keeps objects in orbit. Gravity helps us from floating off the Earth. A moon orbits a planet the way a planet orbits a sun. Some planets, such as Saturn, has many, many moons. An asteroid is a rocky object much smaller than a planet that orbits the sun. A comet is made of ice and dust and orbits the sun. A meteor is a space rock that crashes into the surface of a planet or a moon. A shooting star isn't a star at all. It's a meteor that burns up when it gets close to the Earth. A solar system is all the planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other matter that orbits the sun. A galaxy is made up of billions of stars and gas and dust held together by gravity. Planet Earth is in the Milky Way galaxy. The universe is all of the light, matter, and energy that exists in time and space. The end. Let's get out our hands and we will clap. Snip, snap, snap. This starry night tale is told out. Buster, sit, sit. See, Buster knows when I say things, and he also knows when I use the hand command. And he wants to shake paws. Hello, Buster. We love you. All right, friends. Goodbye. Oh, one thing more. This is my telescope. So when I go out at night to look at the stars, I get out my telescope and I look at the stars. And you can make one too and decorate it however you want to be your telescope to look at the stars. All right, friends, goodbye, so long, farewell, my friends. Goodbye, so long, farewell. We'll see